With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19, verse 26. Hey guys, my name is Tasha Brew, and I want to share my hair journey with you, and most definitely you. My current hair goal is to achieve waist-length hair. I thought it would be a good idea to see how long it's gotten, so I asked my hairstylist Samira to straighten my hair. Guys, Samira is absolutely amazing. I've been a client of hers for a little over 2 years now, and she always has my hair, always has my hair in tip-top shape. She's based out in Philly, so if you like what you see, then definitely check her out. Here we go. So Samira has already washed and conditioned my hair off camera, so we'll be going into the blow drying process now. A good stylist is so hard to find, y'all. I know that every time I come see my girl, we will have literally life-changing conversations. Watch our little chat here about me starting my YouTube channel, God, and mental health. Enjoy.
Alright, so wait, so you're gonna have like a you have like a page or a blog where you have hair stuff on there?
So, no. Okay. I would like to start it. I have a lot of videos that I just haven't put up yet. And so, I went through that phase and then I'll delete it because, it's like, oh, it's not good enough. And so, I think this would be a good place to start so I fully see my link and then go on from there. And I've been thinking about it for a while. It's just, the punk in us. We psych ourselves out like it's not going to be good enough. People are going to be interested. And it's honestly been a fear. Yeah, it's just like me trying to step out of that, out of my shell, my comfort zone. I'm reading this book. It's called Enough. And really it just hones on like negative thoughts. And we have so many thoughts throughout the day, and a great percentage of that is negative. And a lot of times they're reoccurring negative thoughts. Like we thought about it yesterday, the day before, etc., etc. And we don't think positively about ourselves. Like one way to overcome that is when you think about like certain things like, I'm such a loser, like I'm never gonna be successful, like look at this person doing this, I'm just stuck, When you think about those things, say that and end it with in Jesus' name. And you'll realize when you say stuff like that, like it just doesn't fit in that sentence. But if you say, I'm a child of God, I might not have the strength to do it, but I know God will, give me the tools, the skills, the experience that I need, the money that I need. In Jesus' name, you essentially turn those negative thoughts into positive thoughts.
Whenever you have a negative thought, you should quickly combat that with a positive thought. To try to get those negative thoughts out of your psyche.
Yeah, the enemy knows that.
Absolutely.
He knows these things about you. Like he studies us, and so he knows the things that are gonna have you think about those thoughts. He knows the things that are gonna have you like basically sit in that funk. He's a very conniving entity, and he uses those things to keep us in that place. Like, I don't have to hurt you, I'll let you do it yourself. Just being able to change those negative thoughts into positive ones and really speak life to yourself, because sometimes you really don't believe great things about yourself. You don't feel like you're worthy, or you don't feel like you're knowledgeable, or you don't feel competent enough to be able to do X, Y, and Z. But they're all not true. It's not true at all.
None of it is. None of it is. But that's what the devil comes to do. And if he wants to take over your mind. I think it keeps cracking in this one spot.
It's just that one spot.
Her.